Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use saved audio on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up the Instagram app here, and at the bottom center I'm just going to tap on Reels. Now if there are certain Reels that you like and want to use that audio and to save it for a later date, let's just use this one. So at the very bottom you can see it says Cavendish Music Funny Song. So I can tap on that and it will pop up with the audio that everybody has used that audio. Now, of course, at the very bottom center, I can always just tap use audio and use it right now in a reel. However, at the top, I can tap save audio if I just want to save it to use it at a later date. So now it says saved, and potentially the next day I go and want to use that saved audio in a reel. What I will do is I will go back home and swipe to the right here. And then I will go over to reel at the very bottom. And you can see towards the left there is audio. I can tap on audio and it will pop up with all these audio options, and at the top left is saved. So I can tap on that and it shows me that Funny Song by Cavendish Music. I can tap the play icon to listen to it again, and I can just tap on it and it will automatically add that song onto this reel. I can take a quick video or photo or whatever I want and then publish this reel with that saved audio. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.